Welcome students in my mathematics classes of class 9th. The topic is linear equation in two variable, that is lesson 4. तो अब हम आपको बताएंगे कि how we have to draw the graph of any equation, that is linear equation in two variable. तो suppose if we have to find question है that is find 4 solution of the equation that is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 and draw on graph paper. First of all, we look here, that is this equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first of all, the question is find 4 solution of the equation. That is the equation is here, the equation is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now transfer y minus 2y in RHS side plus 3 in also RHS side, then we change this equation only in x, that is here x is equal to, now take this 2y minus 3. Now we have to put the value of y and we have to find the value of x. So first of all we put in our side, that is put x is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Again put y is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Put y is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, that is 1. And put y is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, which is also equal to 3. Now we put this in box, that is here. This one is, now make this box. This one, here look, that is here x, that is y. Now we have first put y is equal to 0 in this equation, we get x is equal to minus 3. Again y is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, that is x is also equal to 3. Now this point will be minus 3 0, here minus 1 1, again 1 2 and 3 3. Now plot this point on our graph paper. The first of all take your graph and make this type of, first of all we have to this divide into 4 quadrant, that is here x axis positive direction, again x axis, that is x dash which is negative direction, y that is positive direction, y axis, y dash which is negative direction, and this is origin. Now take unit, that is 10 small division is equal to 1 centimeter on x and y axis both. Therefore take here, that is 1, here 2, here is also 3, and now in minus, that is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. In y पे 0 1 2 3 4, that is take is here, that is 1 2 3. Now first of all take x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 0. here x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 0, यानी कि this point is lies on this here, that is -3 0. Again x is equal to -1, y is equal to 1, so x is equal to -1, y is equal to 1, both intersect this position, that is here -1 1. Again x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 here, and here both intersect this point, that is 1 2. Again 3 3, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. Now this one is 3 3. Now draw this, take your our scale and join these points. This one is, that is this line is the equation of, that is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the our graph of this line, x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, and we have to find 4 solutions, that is value of x and again we find value of y. These are the 4 solutions. And if another question of asking, that is another question, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, put in equation x minus 2y is equal to k, then find k. First of all, that is solution, right? Equation is, that is x minus 2y is equal to k. Now we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in this equation, put here, that is x is equal to 2 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to k, which is 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 2, is also equal to k. Now that is k is equal to 0. Here our value is k is equal to 0. When if we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These are the two equations, that is now. Thank you.